What's up, YouTube? My name is Paul. For all of those new subscribers, I appreciate every one of you that subscribed. I think almost 200 of you in this past week, so appreciate that. But today we almost had a problem. So I had an inspection today and had to go to Highway Patrol, get it passed. I got on the highway on that Tacoma, and I think the driveline's bent pretty bad. So yeah, had to turn around and drive home like a turtle. Almost missed my appointment because I had to load that thing up on the trailer, get it hooked up. So let's get it unhooked and I'll tell you more about it. Here she is on this beautiful, cold, snowy day. I did not show you how I assembled all this because I felt like, hey, I have an appointment I need to get to, so I was hustling. We bought pre-painted rear bumper, which is amazing. I mean, the color code's nice. The bed obviously needs to be painted. Got this painted. We're gonna blend it in the door. As you can see, it's a little darker, so I didn't want to blend it. The only reason I painted that right away is I needed that glass in. Passed the inspection, so this weekend should be in the 40s, 50s next week. So we're gonna get this bed blend into the door, get this sucker unloaded, man. And typically they don't let you pass with damages, but she was nice enough to let me pass with this little beautiful dent. Don't look like it has any damage on it, but man, you hit 55 and up, it just like the whole cab started shaking. This thing is filthy. Yeah, well, there's kind of some sleet on the roads, but man, that was close. So yeah, I called the drive shaft alignment guys. They said no problem, they can get that realigned, so no problem on that. But definitely not a fun one. And the reason I kind of freaked out a little bit is I sold my 2013 Ram 3500 I had before. You guys seen it? I mean, I've had it for quite some time. So sold that one to a guy that bought my previous truck. Had a Tundra before, so he contacted me wanting to buy it, so I sold it to him. I think 3 weeks later he calls me off the highway. He's like, Paul, the engine exploded, or something exploded in the car. Airbags blew on it. So I was somewhere else picking up something, so I came back home, grabbed another truck, went out there, picked it up, and it was the driveline, the 4x4 for the front, that bearing. That thing just shattered, and it just took the transfer case with it, blew a hole in the floor, which in my opinion, that's what caused the airbags to deploy. I mean, he's driving with his kids on the highway. Dude, I felt bad, but it's nothing I did wrong. I mean, I maintained that thing. Could have either caught something on the highway, I don't know. But if you have a Ram, make sure you guys check those bearings. And then recently on Facebook post, somebody posted parting out a Ram 3500, same issue. The driveline exploded, or the bearing exploded, the U-joint took the transmission with it. So that's why I was kind of worried on this one, knowing how bad it got, that I may not be nice to break this truck. I haven't even finished fixing it, and then just to go ahead and destroy it. And then like the next exit is like 5 miles away, so I had to make almost, as soon as I got on the highway, I knew I'm in for a ride. So I had to drive about 10 miles to get back home, put this thing on the trailer just to make it for the appointment. Definitely a close one, because I know they Highway Patrol up there, if you're late, you're late. They don't care. But this lady was kind of busy with another vehicle she was inspecting, so I kind of got lucky because I pulled up right in front of the building, started unloading. I mean, I'm late. I mean, I pulled into the parking lot at my appointment time, but she was cool with it. And everything's passed. So tomorrow, we're probably gonna pull all these panels off, get them prepared, get all these dents fixed, get this thing primed. And I think next week we're gonna have some nice weather. We're above 50, so which is, if it's above 50, I can paint it. I mean, we got this whole jam all painted up. They got the whole thing assembled. They scanned this paint. I mean, you can see it probably. It's a little dirty, but it's it's a little more dark gray. Since this is going to be all different, I am not going to blend the other side. I feel like that gap alone is big enough to kind of separate the colors on that side, but this I'll have to do it on the door. I mean, I may talk to the customer. That is original paint. If he's cool with it, I may just leave it, but if he wants to blend, we will. I mean, in my opinion, I would do it, but OEM paint is always better, so if you can leave it, do it. But on this one, I am not blending this. I feel like the gap is big enough to separate the color, and you won't even see it. And we've got the bumpers. I ordered these off eBay, the pre-painted ones. They fit and finish on it is, I mean, that's absolutely great. So if you're looking for the bumpers off eBay, that was the original, but the two corners with the inserts, yeah, we ordered them in. Definitely happy. I mean, quality's nice, paint's nice, clear's nice, and the plastic itself is pretty durable. And I mean, look at this paint. You see how that's even darker than mine? So this probably matches whatever I have compared to the, I mean, you see that is all different color. So that may, I mean, mine is probably much closer than the original plastic. Because I know they paint all the plastic bumpers in a different location from the vehicle, so that's why they're always different color. Pretty fun, exciting day today. Almost screwed up my own project that we've been working so hard on for these couple days. We may get this thing lifted. I don't know what he wants to do with it or not. I think we may lift it up a little bit and put some beefier tires on it. Wheels look good on it. I'm not sure what these are, but they look decent. So if we can just get it maybe 2-3 inch off the ground. All right, well, tomorrow I'll see you guys back. We'll strip this bed and get some body work on there and get it ready for paint. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Well, it's Friday evening. I did not get anything done. I just rinsed it off from all that sleet, sand, salt. Didn't get much done this week. Had some snow days, ice days, whatever. And I think today is what, Thursday? Thursday, Friday, we had a bunch of snow. So I decided just to take a day off, spend it with the kids, side by side, sleds, I mean, whatever we had to do to have fun. So I guess this one's gonna be a pretty short video for you guys, but I got that inspection passed. Had a little bit of issues with that driveline. We took that to the alignment shop. He said he'll have it back to me on Tuesday. He said no issues on that. It looks like it's just a little bent, so they're gonna bend it back, align it, put some weights on it if they have to. Hopefully starting on Monday, we'll get that truck disassembled. We can get that strip apart, get those side panels, get that tailgate stripped, and hopefully get the thing painted in. I'll try to shoot a video of doing some work on it if I have time. I mean, it's been crazy busy around here, plus we have a few nice days of snow. Let me just show you. Excuse my messy shop, but we had some crazy weather last weekend, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and then yesterday we had some nice snow coming from Texas. I don't know, about 8 inches or so, 6 to 8 inches. Decided to just jump on side-by-side sleds and just go have fun. Even flipped one of the side-by-sides over. Too bad I didn't have the cameras. Everybody was okay. All right, with that being said, you guys, appreciate you everyone for following, looking, watching, commenting, liking, and subscribing, which I'm really happy about that. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.